The most precious of all possessions is power over ourselves. I have no reason to suppose that he, who would take away my liberty, would not, when he had me in his power, take away everything else. Don't let the things you don't have prevent you from using what you do have. The people cannot delegate to government the power to do anything which would be unlawful for them to do themselves. Knowledge is grateful to the understanding as light to the eyes. It is practice alone that brings the powers of the mind, as well as those of the body, to their perfection. Every man has a property in his own person. This nobody has a right to, but himself. The reason why men enter into society is the preservation of their property. I have always thought the actions of men the best interpreters of their thoughts. The discipline of desire is the background of character. What if everything that happened here happened for a reason? Firmness or stiffness of the mind is not from adherence to truth, but submission to prejudice. There is frequently more to be learned from the unexpected questions of a child than the discourses of men. Success in fighting means not coming at your opponent the way he wants to fight you. A sound mind and a sound body is a short but full description of a happy state in this world. There are two sides to players. One is light, the other is dark. Good and evil, reward and punishment are the only motives to a rational creature. He that uses his words loosely and unsteadily will either not be minded or not understood.